You mentioned Protestants, so both sides were primarily Protestant Christians.
Overwhelmingly.
At that time, is a very religious country, so the religious sentiment was pretty strong.
Units had chaplains, and there were Catholic priests with Catholic units. Yes, a very big presence.
Was Christianity used to justify?
Of course it was. Both sides used it. Yes. I don't mean to jump on your question, but yes, they did.
I mean, how was it used to justify fighting for a nation?
Yeah, there's a lot of fighting in the Bible. A lot of people killing other people in the Bible. As long as you're doing it for the right reasons, you can, and you could use it different ways. I mean, you can deal with setbacks by saying, well, God tests us. We're being tested. What do you do when God tests you? You don't give up when God tests you. You try harder when God tests you. The very top leaders, this is interesting, the top leaders on the Confederate side, the most famous ones, Lee, Stonewall Jackson, Jeb Stuart, they were much more overtly religious than people like Grant, Sherman, Philip Sheridan. I mean, much, much more. Lee is an Episcopalian. Jackson was a Presbyterian, but they talked, I mean, their official reports, their correspondence, it's filled with allusions to religion, much more than Grant's or Sherman's.